Good morning, guys. Okay, everybody does this a little bit different way, but I'm going to do my beer can chicken. Some of you have seen it on Marco Polo or stuff like that, but anyway, I'm going to do my beer can chicken today. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to light the grill. This is a Masterbuilt 560 gravity-fed charcoal smoker, and basically what it is the charcoal. I use lump charcoal. It actually goes in there. And then what I do is, this is a fire starter. It's actually paraffin wax and some other stuff. I stick it in here. Let's see. Okay. Sorry, I'm bouncing around a little bit, but I break it in half. Stick it in here. Okay, then I get my trusty lighter. I'll push that in a little bit. Get my trusty lighter and get these things going. And if I can find that one. Alright. I might edit some of this out. See if it gets going. Now I got it lit. Now what this thing does is, pardon me, some guys have modified this so that it can run off a battery pack, but basically there's a little controller underneath here, and you plug it in. If I can find it. There we go. Okay, now it's on. Now, what you do is, this thing's gonna start smoking. I'll wait about 5 minutes, and then I'll come back. And it's a nice day here in Florida. It's gonna get chilly next week. Also, what I have, this is the beer can chicken holder. Now you can get a single one. You don't even need a holder, but it just stabilizes the bird. So I have 2 beer cans here. These are 2, oh, what are they? 4 to 5 pound young chickens. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get those out, make sure you wear gloves, take prevention because you're handling chicken. Be careful with chicken, and then I'll be placing them on it. What I use for seasoning is, I get this at Costco. It's Kinder's Master Salt. What's in it? Garlic, sea salt, and butter. And it's really good. So if you can get Kinder's, you can go online and order it too. But this stuff's really good. So that's what I'm going to coat them with. And today, instead of using beer, I'm going to put some white wine in it and see how it gets. So I'll be back shortly. Okay guys, with this smoker basically it's ready. These have 2 slides. You pull these slides out. You park them. You shut this door. Oh, and I use hickory chunks. Throw a couple chunks of hickory in here. Get some good smoke on it. And that's about enough of hickory. I'll put that this way. I will shut the door. I will shut this door. Close it. Lock it. Okay, I'm gonna do these chickens at this isn't good. Let's see what's going on here. Might have a loose connection here. There we go. Okay, I turn it on. I set my temperature to, I'm going to run these about 350. Hit the button. And the fan will kick on. Okay. Now I have some aftermarket probes. This one actually comes with it. And I forgot what I did with my phone. Anyway, yeah. I don't know if I brought it out here or not. Oh, there it is. But anyway, this will take a couple minutes. There's a Bluetooth app that actually works on the phone. So I gotta wait for this to get up to temperature. Then I'll come back and I'll put the chickens on. Okay guys, we've got some good smoke rolling as you can see on here. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put the chickens on. Flip the lid here. Yeah, got some good hickory on there. Take these and set them right on the grate. Okay. Make sure my legs are okay. And get rid of this pan out of the way. Then I'm going to take one of my probes, run it in here. This is an aftermarket probe. That's one. I'm going to take the other one that actually comes with a smoker. And actually put it in the other breast. I'm going to hook this up. This is a ThermoWorks. Anyway, I'll shut the lid. That's what they look like. They're on. It usually takes, I always cook by internal temperature. So you're talking, chicken should be at least 165 degrees to be safe. Also, I got a pen, one of these thermal pens, a temperature probe, digital probe. Hey, if you're going to cook, that's one of the cheapest, I mean not cheapest, but one of the best things you can buy. Get a good pen, it's worth the money. Check your meats, check your temperatures, your steaks come out good, chicken, a whole lot of stuff just comes out better because you know what the temperature is. So anyway, we'll be back a little bit later. This is my first try doing this, so bear with me. And I'll let you know how it is when everything's done. Talk to you later, guys, and hey, have a great day. I'll probably do more of these down the roads, but I'll edit it, put it out there, and see how everybody likes it. Okay guys, finally they're done. 165 degrees internal temperature. Nice golden skin. Spritz them a little apple juice. So I'm just going to pull them off. And then when I get ready, I'll show you how it is. And here's the final results. Somebody's sampled some already, but really got juicy. So I just got to pull them, and we'll let them cool a little bit, and we'll have some chicken. So hope everybody enjoys this. Take care. Have a good day.